In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to log in to Gumroad. First, open your favorite browser and go to Gumroad. Once the home page loads, click the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Now you'll see several login options. You can sign in using your email and password or continue with services like Google, Facebook, X or Stripe depending on how you originally created your account. If you signed up with Google, simply click Continue with Google and select your account. If you use the email and password method, enter your email address and password, then click Log In. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, Gumroad may ask you to enter a verification code sent to your email or authentication app. Enter the code and click Verify. After signing in, you will be taken to your Gumroad dashboard where you can manage your products, sales, analytics, payouts, and account settings. If you forgot your password, click the Forgot Password option on the login page and follow the reset instructions sent to your email. For security, avoid logging into your account on public or shared computers and always keep your login information secure. And that's it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.